Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power key and select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. Okay, once you see the Mi logo, let go of the power key. And this should take us into recovery mode. There we go. Now I'm gonna clarify one thing. I let go of those keys because I think I started holding them too early. The device wasn't fully off. So when I started holding them, it didn't really accept the command of the key combination. So I let go, held it again, and this then made the device realize that keys are being held. Anyway, from here you will need to use volume keys to navigate because touchscreen doesn't work. And we have limited options right here, so we can reboot the device, wipe data, which only includes factory reset. We can connect with Mi Assistant, which is just an application, and we can boot our device into safe mode. So that's basically it. Now, like I mentioned, you navigate using volume keys and confirm everything using power key. Now I want to leave this, so I'm sticking with the reboot system and reboot to system. There we go. And this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.